how to use Word's shrink page feature to condense 2 pages into 1 or 5 pages into 4. So if you want to use Word's shrink page feature, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Word document. After that, you need to go with the upper left, which has that access toolbar section. So go with the toolbar, and from here you need to go with more commands. And now you need to make sure that you've selected all commands. And once you go with all commands, you need to scroll down and you need to find shrink option. It might be under S section. So head over to the S section and then search for shrink. So here I have the shrink 1 page section. So click on it, and then here you need to go with add, which is on the right side. And if it is already added, then it will say that this has already been added. But if you've not added, then you can add that to your access toolbar and then go with OK. And after that, you can select the shrink option and it will shrink your information to 1 page. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.